This bird can copy any sound, from car alarms to camera clicks to chainsaws. Meet the lyrebird, one of the most incredible mimics in the animal kingdom. It doesn't just repeat simple noises. It can copy cameras, phones, music, and even human voices. In the wild, it uses these sounds to confuse predators or attract a mate. Some have even copied construction tools so perfectly people got fooled. It's like a tiny feathered sound machine with a built-in recording studio. Nature didn't give it strength or speed, so it mastered sound instead. Which sound should it mimic next? Subscribe for more wild animal facts. Stay curious, stay wild.